Alright, good morning guys. We just made it to the parking lot for the plane wreck. We are not the first ones here. Two people just walked out, and then there's another van that is here, and it looks like they're just waking up. It is a no camping spot. We stayed at Skogafoss campground last night, and it was super windy. Thankfully the wind has stopped. Getting all bundled up. Courtney has her bag and layers on layers. But here we go. We're gonna start our trip now. Hey guys, my name is Ben and this is Courtney, and welcome to our travel channel. We are doing an 8-day road trip along the south part of Iceland. This is our third trip to Iceland and we love it here. But our goal this time is to see the northern lights, explore caves, chase waterfalls, relax in hot springs, and reconnect and escape. So in these next few Icelandic vlogs, we will share with you those experiences and our adventures in our favorite European country. Anyway, it's about 2 miles out and 2 miles back. Luckily there's no wind, we got super lucky, but all last night it was just blowing up on the van.
Shaking the car.
And it's nice and warm now that we're moving, but we got the layers on, and there's a couple people behind us, a couple more cars pulled in, so this spot's gonna be popping later. So even though it's November and 34 degrees out, people know about it, people want to see it, so definitely getting more popular, but it's super cool. Alright, we're just finishing up here at the DC-3 plane crash. My lips are cold. It's a little freezing. Make sure you bring layers so you stay warm. A little cold front came through, so I had to bundle all back up, but got some really cool photos here. It's so cool seeing this plane crash, like out here in the middle of nowhere. Like, look, there's just a Courtney and then black sand nothingness. So we're walking back to the car now. It's about 2 miles from the plane, so we'll see you guys in a couple seconds for you, but it's gonna take us about an hour for us, so wish we could just fast forward like you guys get to. That'd be pretty cool. We started up the van and then headed east along the ring road real quick for our second stop of the day. This spot has gotten pretty popular over the years, and I'm excited to share it with you guys. Alright, welcome back guys. We are at our next stop, which gets us that sweet black sand beach to the right, water to the left, shot that we want to get for photos here, and then also the lighthouse. There's also puffins in the summertime, but they are not here currently, unfortunately. But we are going to go check it out, and it is also not windy up here too, so that is just amazing. This was so windy last time we came here, and to not have wind is just a blessing. So let's get out there. It is a little bit frosty out this morning, but that's alright. We're walking down towards the point. See if we can get some shots of the pillars over there. I can't pronounce what they're called, but very good visibility today, and loving every second of it. In terms of money, we have no money.
It's like how one guy to his wife, and he's like, honey, you know how you I keep telling you we just don't have enough money? He's like, no.
Like, we have no money in the bank account.
Like,
Stop being like that. I just need $50.
See, babe, this is what you're not understanding. When I tell you that I'm broke, I don't mean that in like a figurative way. You know, I don't mean like, oh, I'm broke, but I have like money in my savings account and like we'll be okay. I mean like, no, like we're not okay. Like I have $11 in my account. Like we're not okay. Like you're asking for money, right? I don't have any. I have none. Like it's hilarious, but like we might not survive. You know?
All right, so that's our next stop, right down there. There's a little cafe we're gonna go hit up before going out to the beach, and then get some close-up shots of the little guys right there, little spires. Can't pronounce their name, not gonna try, but whew, we are gonna head back to the car now. Courtney's here, as usual. She's actually doing better than I am. I'm pretty cold. I don't know.
the Floridian in me.
I can't warm up the Floridian.
I bring the heat. I'm such a happy person, warm-hearted, it's warming my body up.
Oh, wow. What does that mean about me?
If you had a heart, you'd know. I'm just kidding.
Gosh. Wow. All right. Well, you heard it here first. I don't have a heart.
You have
a
an
rough life.
Alaskan cold heart.
Yeah,
It's a little different.
I'm not working right now. My body is not regulating the heat very well. But this is so pretty out here. Iceland is incredible. We hung out by the lighthouse taking photos and videos of this incredible location for just a bit longer before jumping in the van and making our way towards our third stop of the day, which was really close and along the way back towards the ring road. We've already done the DC-3 plane, the lighthouse with the black sand beach, and now we're here at this awesome cave. Where is it? Right there. We're gonna hike up there and get some cool shots out on the valley with the lowlands and the water. And we're walking up there now.
You wanna come to my home?
You're doing great. Let me know if it's good enough to walk up there. I'm just kidding. I'll be right up. It's a pretty cool cave. There's three floors. Courtney's back there, spacious cave. And then this is the view these guys had back in the day. And then we were just right up top there on the lighthouse there. Hi, this is my house now. I'll just lay out my hay right here. Have a good time. Hey.
Hi.
I don't think they have cell phones back in the day. You're not blending into the cave life very well.
We gotta plan our next locations, and the coffee and hot chocolate's next, so that's my snacks, is my ideal.
Oh, okay, it's time for snacks, got it. All right, well, oh wow, it's really cave-like back here. That's it for the cave. We are gonna get out of here. You're doing great. Keep it up. And then if you want, there's this cool little abandoned barn over here on the left you can check out once you're done seeing the cave or before. Just depends on your preference there. You got this. Nice. Professional water jumper. Woo! We got back in our van and headed to our next stop. Alright guys, this is the Black Sand Beach. We just had an amazing amazing lunch, and it was fish and chips, super tasty. I was starving. We charged up our camera gear. We're gonna have to find another spot though. I was only able to get 1.5 drone batteries for an hour and a half worth of charging. So we're losing the light. We're coming out here to get everything and get some photos. But we're gonna explore the black sand beach. We're about to head around the backside over here and get some really cool photos of the spires that are in the water. Alright, we're walking on the beach. This is like one of Iceland's most dangerous beaches for tourists. I'm sure you guys have seen some of the videos, people out here not paying attention, and they're called sneaker waves, come up and wash people out. And there's signs all over the beach, so you have to be careful. Right now it's super low wave activity, which is nice, and then we're also just, you know, paying attention because we don't want to get taken out. But yeah, let's see what's over here. Did you find one?
I found an Icelandic crabby. His name is Fred.
Wow.
From Iceland. Oh, I think he's pregnant.
Should put him back then.
Look. I'm pretty sure if you open that, there's eggies.
Wow.
Aw.
There's a little seal out there. Just following us. According to his feet. Dry. Good. You ready? You got it. They're almost here. Whoop whoop. You got it, babe. Yeah, that's right. All right, we finished up over here at the spires. We're walking back towards the little basalt pillars to get our photos there. The Icelandic sunset's beautiful. You got this.
How'd you climb up here?
Go this way. Start right there. And then climb up to the spot there. There you go. Little adventure. All right, so that concludes our adventure to the black sand beach. We are sitting on the pillars.
Watching the sunset.
Watching the sunset. And thanks for watching the video if you guys liked it. Hopefully you're already subscribed, but if you're not, make sure you hit that subscribe button and then like the video because that really helps.
Until the next video.
Yep, and we'll see you guys on the next adventure. Everything went okay? You got this. Almost there. Yeah.
Look, the landing.
Nice. And then our sunset.